In this video, you'll learn how to swap cryptocurrency in your Trust wallet. By following these steps, you will be able to perform crypto exchanges with ease and efficiency. Begin by launching the Trust Wallet application on your device. Once the app is open, make sure you are connected to the internet, as this is essential for performing swaps. A stable connection will enhance your experience and reduce any potential delays. Next, locate the swap feature within the app. You can find this option on the main screen, typically displayed prominently for easy access. Tapping on swap will take you to the interface where you can select the cryptocurrencies you wish to exchange. After that, you will need to specify the cryptocurrency you want to swap from. Tap on the From section, which will prompt you to select the token you wish to exchange. A list of available tokens will appear for your selection. Once you've chosen the token to swap from, you will then proceed to select the token you want to swap to. Look for the To section and tap on it. This will allow you to choose from the available tokens in the Trust wallet. At this stage, you can also use the search function to find specific tokens. Tap on the search bar and type in the name of the token you are looking for. This feature is particularly useful if you are looking for less common cryptocurrency. After selecting your desired token, you will be shown the amount and the exchange rate. Review this information carefully to ensure it meets your expectations. If everything looks good, you can proceed to finalize the swap. Once you are ready, click on the swap button to initiate the transaction. A confirmation screen will appear detailing the swap information and any associated fees. Make sure to review these details before confirming the swap. Keep in mind that the time it takes for the swap to complete can vary based on the network congestion and your internet speed. Be patient as the transaction processes, and you will receive a notification once the swap is successful. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.